How to arrange photos on iPhone camera roll. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on Select. Now, select the photos and videos you want and then tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner. Here, tap on Add to Album. You can choose the album you want to add the photos to from here. Or tap on the plus icon at the top right corner if you want to create a new album. Enter a name for the album and tap on Create. Now, scroll down to the Albums section and open the album you just created. As you can see, all your selected photos and videos are added to this album. If you want to rearrange them, then tap on the sort icon at the bottom left corner. Select Sort by Oldest first. The photos and videos will now be sorted accordingly. You can try out the other sort options as well. Following these steps, you can easily arrange photos on iPhone camera.